Imagine you had a team of expert computer technicians available to help you keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. If you had an emergency, they were there in a snap. But they could also work practically unnoticed in the background, ensuring all of your networks, computers, printers, and the rest of your office equipment operated at peak efficiency so that you wouldn't have any emergencies. Welcome to A1 Rivoli. Our team of expert technicians do just this, and have been since 1935. Sure, technology has come a long way since then, but our commitment and dedication to repairing and maintaining our clients' office equipment is as strong today as it was in 1935, making us your solution for computer and office equipment repairs in Nassau and Western Suffolk counties. Not only to make fast repairs, but we also guarantee all of our work. Being one of Long Island's largest authorized repair services means we are as qualified to work on your equipment today as we will be tomorrow. In addition to repairing the latest office equipment, A1 Rivoli can repair old-fashioned office equipment, such as typewriters and time clocks. We can also help you with installations and upgrades, and we can provide you with low-cost maintenance plans that significantly help prevent breakdowns from occurring in the first place. Contact us today and let the experienced experts at A1 Rivoli help you with immediate service, quote you on a maintenance plan, or help you with a new installation. We offer you a free pickup and delivery service to make your office equipment repair as convenient as possible. And our work is 100% guaranteed. You will find our staff friendly and knowledgeable, and we will be able to communicate with you without speaking in computer geek. Since 1935, we have been the long-term partner with many companies looking for Nassau and Suffolk computer repairs. And we hope to establish the same type of long-term family relationship with you.